Hey guys, it's been a while, hasn't it?
We're making brownies.
We should put it in the oven like this.
Mom, do you have any weed for the brownies?
Celia.
Stop doing TikTok. How do you make them? We need 3 large eggs.
This bitch.
Wait, egg yolks, egg whites, or egg?
Egg. Did you wash your hands?
Obviously.
Corinne, you got a crack. You got a shell. Stop making fun of me, Lucy.
Give me love and give me. That's
Stop.
a good
You
song.
need to stop being like Alicia and referring to stupid every TikTok.
Wait, what's that song called? Give me love?
Did you read the directions?
Right.
Well, we need water and vegetable oil.
Don't open that yet, Corinne. Stop.
Corinne, actually.
Can we put some like extra chocolate in?
Yeah, like chocolate
No,
chips.
stop.
I kind of look better than I did before. Last time I was here.
I don't think so.
I'm turning 16 this year.
I'm 14.
Corinne's gonna be 2 years older than you for like a little bit.
For like a month.
I know, I already have the Instagram caption.
What is it?
Corinne's 2 years older than me. I don't have any Cheetos.
Why?
They haven't come in the mail yet. I need milk. Lucy, what are you doing in here?
I don't know.
Breathe it in, let it out. It dissipates. You don't have to pay. What is the bias? My dog ate chocolate ice cream.
My dog died from chocolate.
You got a dog?
No.
Feed your dog grapes. How long do they go on? Oh my god, that's no.
Alright, I cleaned.
As you should.
Why, because I'm a woman?
No, because it's your house.
Corinne, can you pick that up? Because somebody's gonna eat it.
Get the horse.
Let's go on the trampoline. We're redoing our porch.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. I'm always wet. Brenda, how'd you do that?
Is that French?
I think the horses just possessed her. That's what happened.
Whoa, I almost fell out of the fucking trampoline.
She got egg skin, mom. I don't know what I'm recording. That's Corinne's saliva.
Not clickbait.
I farted again.
Heard about the cicada thing that's gonna come?
Yeah, like trillions of cicadas.
I used to collect their shells.
What?
I used to touch their shell.
We should try eating them.
What? No, thank you. That's probably the cicadas right there. Run in circles. Oh no.
It's like not even focused. We're wiggling her. Oh my. Oh. Me too.
I'll crack your neck.
I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to do a backhand swing. So you just go like this, and then you go backwards.
I know how to do it.
You should roll it down.
Ready?
Whoa. Whoa.
No way.
I'm so cool.
No way.
I'm so cool. While I have your attention here, make sure you go home and eat a light bulb.
Also, we're not in quarantine anymore. We aren't with the coronas. Get the eyeball.
We are pretty. We're really pretty.
We're really pretty.
Do my teeth look white? Do they?
You should make that your thumbnail. Come on, you get your braces off.
It's been 7 long weeks.
That means 140 days.
7 weeks, 140 days? 7 times 2 is 14. Where'd you get the 0?
7 times
She said 7
5 is
weeks.
35. That means 35 days, which is
22 weeks.
Guys, school ended yesterday. I don't know how to do math
we're gonna
anymore.
be sophomore.
We don't look like sophomores. I got braces.
I look like a sophomore. Yeah, I do have trees.
In your woods.
Yeah. Oh my god, you want to know what happened today? Today we thought that we saw the SM6 band and we got really excited, but it wasn't them.
Big chain on my neck. Don't
You can
budge.
see
Do you think our brownies are done?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Santa.
Jesus Christ. I look pretty?
Got 6 minutes left. 6 minutes on repeat.
6
minutes.
6 minutos.
3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minutes.
L'espoir est un plat bien.
No.
Or water.
I swallow, I don't spit.
Several bad puns later.
We all ate the brownies, and now we all feel sick. I don't feel sick.
I don't feel that sick.
Let's have a little bit of a look.